Christmas time.
Time to put the Christmas light.
You got the roof? Mommy, yes, Mommy! I don't know. Mommy!
Nasaan si Kuya JM?
Mommy, I love it! Mommy, why just put it in my house? Today!
Oo, JJ! Jay, may sasakyan. Where's Kuya JM? Get Kuya JM.
Daddy, why put it in my
It's
house?
Christmas time. Time to put the Christmas lights. Go, call Kuya JM. Go.
Mommy killing me.
Ay, hindi pwede. Ano ko to.
No.
Upo ka lang dyan.
Christmas time.
It's Christmas time. Time to put the Christmas lights. Ayun pala si Kuya. Tulog o. Ayun o. Halika na. Let's go to Daddy. Si Ate JC saka si Kuya JJ. Andun sa taas. Tayo pala si Ate JC. Oh.
JM.
Ha? Tulog pala. Aba, sino yun? Oh, si James. Oh. Asa si JJ? Si Kuya JM tulog. Huwag mo gisingin, Beb! JC! Tabi, Bebsis! Tulog si JJ. Ayan ay kay ano.
Oh, come on, there's a ball. Guys, come back and I'm not gonna say something to you. Get shaky.
Love 32 Dental. It's Christmas time. Smile naman dyan. Naikapit na? Yan. Dito, Beng. Smile.
Ganda. Labas
Tulog. JC!
Ay, naku, di ako makaka. Ilagay ko muna yung